Hi there, it's Kai from Kaichiko Crafts, and today I have this super fun shaped card prepared for you. I decided to use this new donut die that is super fun to use, and I just love how simple it is to actually make a donut shaped card. So let's dive in. I am using craft cardstock here and I will just mark where I need to cut it with my paper trimmer because I need to get it through my Big Shot. As you can see, I have a normal sized Big Shot, so I will have to cut twice. So right now I will just cut the top part and then I will move my cutting plates to the other side. I taped the die down with my washi so it doesn't move while I am changing the position, and this is really helpful if you really want to have your dies in place. So now this will be my base and I decided to shade it just a bit with Distress Ink tea dye because donuts have this beautiful brown color and I just felt that this craft cardstock isn't doing that magic. So I shaded it just a bit over the whole circle edge. Then I decided that I want to have my frosting in this soft pink, so I just die cut this and I will save these sprinkles for later, for another project. When I put this on my card, I felt like the brown is missing in the middle because it was a totally different color, so I just decided to shade in the middle just a bit too. So I decided that I want to have my sprinkles in purple, white and turquoise. So I will just use a marker and I will scribble it on my paper. And as you can see now, I'm doing this really quickly, so you can see the strokes, but once I die cut this, I will put my die like this so you can see how it will cut these sprinkles. You won't be able to see the strokes, that was my point. So I will be using my glue, liquid glue, and I have it in my syringe, and as you can see it's really detailed and it doesn't take a lot of time to get the glue out. I really love syringes for details because they're super easy to use and they never stuck. So yeah, I applied the glue on this pink piece and now I will put my sprinkles directly where they were die cut, but as said, I will be using white, turquoise and purple sprinkles. I will just put them there randomly. But as you can see, I will put the glue down first and then I will just put it there. It's like a puzzle, they go straight in there. So I will just finish this up and it already looks gorgeous. Oh, look how yummy it is. So I will now stamp the sentiment and I felt like do not worry, or better said, donut worry is a perfect sentiment for this because it's super fun and it's meant to be cheerful. So I will stamp this in purple. And you may see that this isn't the perfect match, but let me tell you that once this ink is dry, it will be a perfect match to our purple sprinkles that we have on our donut. Now it looks a bit darker, but that's just because of the ink. Here you can see how it looks. It's actually the same color as the sprinkles. I will pop these two words up. I actually die cut it using the coordinating die and I will put it directly on the left hand side of the donut. So it will say "Do not worry." It's so fun. I fell in love with this donut, so yeah. I hope you will check out the honeybee shaped dies because they are super fun and so easy to use. I mean, isn't this card awesome? And it took like nothing to make it. So to finish this card off, I will just use glossy accents glue on my sprinkles to give them some dimension and shine. This dries in clear, so it gives just this little effect that I was going for. You can see how beautiful it is with all the shine. And that's my card for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope that you will try to make a shaped card, because with honeybee dies it's super easy. I will link everything in my description box in case you want to check it out. And yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye bye.